PLM, when it started, and producing top-notch students. And that records will show, a week ago or two, they continue to produce top-notchers. And ang PLM ay naging pamantayan ng lahat ng lokal na pamahalaan na gumawa ng pre-tertiary education. Hindi naman nila pwede pagkaila yun. So I'm really proud to each and every one of you. Kayo'y nagtapos. Mahirap magtapos sa PLM. Hindi siya madali. Baka kalalaan nila sisil. Petiks lang. No, it's hard. But you did it. You did it today. Today is the testament of your pagsisikap, pagpupursige, focus. I'm really proud as a parent. Kung ako nanay ninyo, kung ako tatay ninyo, ang tama siguro ng ilong ko ngayong araw na ito. Naalala ko yung nanay ko nung araw, if I may share some experience. I don't know if everyone is a class about public education. I mean, all your life. PLM. Ako full-blooded. Tulungan Center, Almario, Tondo High School, everything. Yung nanay ko lagi, talagang gusto ko makatapos. Ang pangarap niya sa akin, makatapos ako ng high school. Kasi daw hindi ako magpapasa ng jogging o kaligtad. Ganon kataas ang pangarap ng nanay ko sa akin. Dahil hindi na ako makakapagpulay yung dalawang jacket. But one time, grade 2, Mrs. Naseste asked me, sabi niya, tawagin mo ngayon nanay mo. Bakit po? Siyempre, mga bata, nung araw, pag pinatatawagan nanay sa eskwela, pag uwi na nanay, pula pa ang bata. Yun ang aabutin namin. Siyempre, nervous ako kay nanay ko, wari-wari. Takot na takot ako, hindi ko malaman paano ko sasabi sa nanay ko. And then, I have no choice but to ask my mother. Pero kayo sa eskwela, bakit? Ano ang ginawa mo? May French word ko. Kaya, hindi ko na. Kasi tawag ko. So, the next day, I was there in the classroom. I saw my mom, pintuan, nag-uusap sila ni Mr. Seste, nakita ko na kumukulog na ang nanay ko. Shit, yari. Yung hangar ng araw, ang hirap. Ang hirap ng kalaban ng hangar ng araw. Maswerte yung mga bata ngayon, pag hinahangar, plastic na. Noong araw, ang hangar, alambre. Mainit sa katawan yun. So, I was preparing myself, pagalitan, and so on. Then, true yun ha, pag-uwi ko mananghali, sabi sa akin ng nanay ko, ikaw, sinabi ko sa'yo, mag-aral ka lang. Mag-aral lang ako eh. Hindi ang problema. First honor ka daw. Sabi na nanay ko, problema nanay ko na ako yung first honor. In-inform siya. Kaya pala galit na galit ang nanay ko. Kasi nire-require ako bumili ng long sleeves. And the problem with that is we cannot afford to spare. Literally. Kaya kumukulo ang tayo ng nanay ko sa galit sa akin. Because I am being required to wear proper na damit para sa recognition day. Kasi bibigyan daw ako ng medalya. So just imagine, kung gusto na nanay ko mag-aral ako, ayos na. Eh nung nag-aral naman ako ng mabuti, napagalitan pa ako. Dahil sa mga gusto That is why when I became mayor in 2019, ultimo bago ng PLN at UDF, iniintindi ko because of that kind of experience. That's why I implemented that SAP, created that SAP, so that no students will not arrive at the very least in PLN, walang pamasahe. Or, alam niyo yung pakiramdam, I really don't know who experienced this, nasa classroom ka, si Suma, si Galema, galaw ng galaw sa tiyan mo, habang nagtuturo ang teacher mo, hindi mo malaman kung sino unahin mo, makinig sa teacher mo, makinig sa bituka mo kumukulo, dahil wala ka pang chicha. Those are the experience that I had in my life. And that's why, ayaw kong mangyari sa mga nanay dito, mga magulang dito, ayaw kong mangyari sa anak ninyo yung nangyari sa akin. So we're really trying to do our best in our own little way to develop and invest in our educational institution, in our healthcare institution. Yun po ang trust ng inyong pamahalang gusto. That's why, alam niyo ang ginawa nanay ko, which I think gagawin din ng mga nanay at tatay niyo ngayon. Pag-uwi ninyo, hindi display din kayo. Kasi yung nanay ko, galit po no, pero about 1 kilometer from Almario to Tuason Street, along Kagitingan. Nakasapit yung medalya ko, kaya bigat. Grade 2 ko, di ba, mabigat yung medalya? Makati. Ayaw niya ipahubad, pupuro tanggalin para makita ng mga tao. So, my point, telling that real story is that I think yung mga taong nasa likod, if you are proud of yourself, they are more proud of you. Congratulations to the Lord. Today we have achieved something, and that I hope that God will guide and bless each and every one of you, of your dreams and aspirations. Now, if I'm not asking too much, I have to cut down my speech. No, kami mga politiko, mahaba kami magsalita. We always wanted to tell stories, but I think I will not deprive myself to be grateful to our teachers, to be grateful to our parents. So, this is the time. Pwede bang samahan ninyo ako na sabay-sabay natin pasalamatan ang ating mga guro. Let's go together. Ma'am. Sir. Thank you. Love you. Wala naman nawala. Let's try to be grateful. Nay. Tay. Lolo ko. Lola ko. Thank you. Love you. Then, I, your mayor, rest assured, while we are having some fiscal challenges, mind you, hindi ako magpapahinga. Ipilitin kong magbuti. Magiging mainam ako. Magsisilop ako so that we can achieve better facilities for our students. And I would like to share to you our dream for PLM. As you can see, we're going to build a new space for Pamantasan Luzon ng Maynila. You will have an additional program. Praise for our Sciences. Mali daw yung medical school. Alam mo naman kami pamisa-misa. Mas madali kasi sabihin yung medical school, College of Medicine. Yung pala Allied Health Sciences. That will be an additional space for here. We're going to invest more for our students.